Hey guys, in the workshop this morning, we've got a busy day. We've got a set of Showa upside down forks. Now these are the latest iterations from Showa. They're off a KXF 450. And very interesting, they've made quite a few dimensional changes within this fork. Instead of using the standard 12.5mm damper rod, we've now got a 14mm damper rod. And that pertains to the actual amount of fluid that's being displaced through the compression valve. So very important to recognise these changes. And so not only do we have greater fluid displacement from that rod, but we have a larger piston area. So we now have a 39mm piston. This is the largest fork piston of any of the current motocrosses. So 39mm, that valve is huge. But the reason they need that is so that they can increase the reservoir volume, and that reservoir volume has to obviously accommodate the volume of the damper rod as that fluid is being pushed through the compression valve. We'll go over this a lot more stringently in our seminars, but one of the things that we find is the actual check valve that they've got on here is very, very restricted. Now, it's limited in its opening capabilities, and basically what that means is all that fluid that's being pushed into this reservoir on compression now is being hampered to get back into the cartridge on the rebound stroke, which is not what we want. It's not great for fluid stability, and it's not great for function. And coincidentally, the KYB SSS suffers from the same issue. Now, if you want to make a very, very easy upgrade, you can simply take a small shim, something like this one here, which is a 16 by 0.25mm shim, and we can drop it into the recess on that piston. And what it does, it allows that check valve to come further away. Now, the beauty about this is not only do we get a more consistent action, but we get a better rebound response. And this is instantly felt on the track, and it's instantly recognized on the dyno. The biggest area that it improves is front wheel grip. So just by dropping that shim in there, you'll get a much nicer feel, much more improved grip, and undoubtedly someone's going to be out there going, oh, so you think you know more than Showa, or you think you know more than KYB. What if I do? And you don't listen. Drop this in, costs you nothing, okay, go and ride. I guarantee you'll get better results. But come to the seminar and you'll understand why all these dimensional changes have been made, what the cause and effect is, and you'll come away knowing a lot more about your suspension.